next set of questions is covered in next chunk is covering 6 through 8. Let's take a look. 6 says, use the table below to help verify the pattern you noticed in item 5, sorry. First, write each product in the table in expanded form. Then express the product as a single power of the given base. The first one's been done for you. They did 2 to the second times 2 to the fourth. So here's my 2 to the second. And then they did the 2 to the fourth in expanded form. And that makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 to the 6th power. Let's take a look at the second line. Can't call it B, but we're going to do 5 to the third. So that means I have to write it 3 times. Okay. And then we're going to write it 2 more times. 5 and 5. So that makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to write this as 5 to the 5th power. All right. Let's take a look at this one that says x to the 4th times x to the 7th. That's going to be x, 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 x. That's 4 of them, right? Now let's start on our second set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So x and my exponent is going to be 11 because there were 11 x's being multiplied. And our last one, a to the 6th. So a, sorry, a, that's 6 times, right? And now we got 2 more to come on. 1, 2. Well, let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A to the 8th power. Now, back on question 5, we thought it could be possible that these two exponents, 2 and 4, sum means addition, right? So 2 plus 4, does that equal this 6 exponent? Yes. Let's check it out here. 3 and 2, is indeed 5. 4 and 7, let's check that out. 4 plus 7 is indeed 11. And then we had 6 and 2, and 6 plus 2 does indeed equal 8. So based on the pattern you observed in the table in item 6, write the missing exponent in the box below to complete the product of powers property. If we have something raised to the m power and something being raised to the n power, as long as the bases are the same, notice my base didn't change, okay? So a and a are my bases, and we have exponents of m and n. What did we do with our exponents? Added them together. So this box right here would say m plus n. Whatever your two exponents are, we're going to add them together, and that's going to be our new exponent if we're multiplying like bases. Okay, use the product of powers property to write x to the 3/4 times x to the 5/4 as a single power. So x to the 3/4 times x to the 5/4. Now remember, this thing says take your exponents and add them. And that's your new exponent. So I'm going to do 3/4 plus 5/4. Well, we've got like bases. That's good. What is 3 plus 5? 8. What is 8 divided by 4? 2. We would have never looked at this and probably thought, oh, this answer is going to come out to something easy because it had fractions in it. But we can work with fractions just like we do with regular integers. On to the next set of questions.